So I had a goal this year, and my goal this year was to put out 1,000 videos on YouTube. I saw somebody very, very, very rich and very, very successful that get their money from social media that said, you need to put out like at least 1,000 videos per year, right? And I'm like, okay, that's easy. That's like 10 videos a day, all year. Child, why didn't I post anything for like 6 months? This particular episode is to let you know I have officially recorded, edited, and dropped 130. This is the 130th video of the year. Now, I know you're saying, girl, it's like November. How are you going to get to 1,000 videos? Well, I have several series that I have to edit. I have so many videos that I have to edit. And if I had the money, I would outsource it and just straight drop the 1,000 videos on y'all. But because I don't have the money to outsource close to 800 videos, it's me in the lab all day. So a lot of videos coming up will absolutely show a day in the life of what's going on. I still have to do a studio tour, but just for the record, we are at 130 videos of 2025, not counting other videos that were already on my YouTube, and 373 subscribers. My watch time since I have been putting out my series has skyrocketed. Obviously, if you do the things, the people will come. But this is just a big pat on my back because, yeah, I'm doing that motherfucker. I want y'all to understand that I know, even in this part of my journey, that I am pressure to someone else. But I want other people to understand because I haven't fully figured out, my aesthetic as far as being in front of the camera is concerned. But I do know that I have competition in my head. I watch people's movements and it's not on no hate and shit. It's like, okay, this particular person put out 5 video this week, 2 short form, 3 long form, and it did boop, 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 boop. I'm watching. Even though they may not even be in my lane, we may not be doing the same things. Okay, they are steady, they are consistent, they are doing the things. And I had to make sure that I'm doing the things too. And I promise you, next year and every year moving forward, I will not wait until quarter 4, literally the end of quarter 4, to put out 1,000 videos. I am going to get as close to 1,000 as I can because, again, it's just me. And I know the quality that I want to put out. I know what I want to put out. They tell me that I can't have what I want because this area, Washington, D.C., metropolitan area, is government and tech. They tell me I can't have a creative hub like LA or New York or Miami because, again, we're government and tech. And I keep telling people, who the fuck do you think you are to tell me no, that we can't have what I know we're good at? Maryland produces some of the most A1 celebrities and athletes up out of here. Let me talk to y'all real quick. I don't think you all realize how close Washington, D.C. is to Baltimore and to Philly. And then if we go south, we have the, Hampton Roads, a little bit further south, Raleigh area. There is nothing on this middle section of the East Coast. There's nothing that represents creatives for what I am trying to build. MDDC, Media Dreams of Digital Creators. You'll see it everywhere. You'll know it, and I am the face of it. There are networks out here that I see that are bomb that I can't wait to be a part of, and say you inspired me when I have those moments when it's bigger than this couch, when it's bigger than these four walls of me producing my own shows, my own series for you all. There are people who I've asked to mentor me in this area, and I met with silence. There are people that are looking for co-hosts. There are people that are looking for, marketing people. And I'm like, hey, I can do it. Do you know how many people say, oh, I'm trying to hire X, Y, and Z? And I'm like, I could do it. I need the money. And people won't hire me because they don't think that I need the money, baby. I never look like what the fuck I'm going through, and I won't ever. And that's what some people want. I'm here to talk my shit right now, because 130 videos on the way to 1,000. If I'm talking like this now, what y'all think it's gonna be when I hit? Hmm? Hmm? I love myself. And I want y'all to love yourselves just as much. I want y'all to love your craft just as much. And as I'm building what the fuck I'm building, I need y'all to do y'all, so when it's go time, we can hit the motherfucking floor running. I know, I cuss a lot. I know I cuss a lot. But this is me being raw, real, and relatable. I do have my professional side. And technically this is one of my professional sides. This is Bella. This is the God talking to you right now. I know who the fuck I am, and I know where the fuck I'm going, and that's a lot of the problems. That is a lot of the issue problems that people have with me, is that I'm fucking cocky. And I have the right to be. Everything that I thought I said, everything that I said I did, and I'll continue to do such. Media dreams of digital creators. Cheers.